Okay, come on in and take a seat. Let's get started. Sit anyway. Pass, speak, succeed. Eiken Pre-2 vocabulary for real speaking.
If you're preparing for Eiken Pre-2, this lesson is a must.
Today, you'll learn shopping English you will actually use, and I'll show you common mistakes that lower scores. Repeat after us. Speak out loud, and let's get started. Goal: use shopping vocabulary naturally. Avoid common speaking mistakes. Answer Eiken interview questions confidently. Here are today's 5 key words. Repeat after me twice. Word 1. Price. Price. The price of this jacket is high. The price of this jacket is high. Word 2. Afford. Afford. I can't afford a new phone right now. I can't afford a new phone right now. Word 3. Sale. Sale. This store is having a sale today. This store is having a sale today. Word 4. Cashier. Cashier. I paid the cashier with a credit card. I paid the cashier with a credit card. Word 5. Receipt. Receipt. I keep my receipt after shopping. I keep my receipt after shopping.
Let's hear a real shopping conversation.
Hello, how much is this jacket?
The price is 6,000 yen.
I see. Is it on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off today.
Great, I can afford it. I'll take it.
Here is your receipt. Thank you.
Speaking practice and common mistakes. When do you usually go shopping?
I go shopping yesterday.
Careful. Use the present tense for habits. You could say, I usually go shopping on weekends.
Common mistake. I go shopping yesterday. Why this is wrong. Yesterday is a past time word. When we talk about the past, the verb must also be in the past tense. Go is a present tense verb, so the tense and the time word do not match. Correct sentences. Past, one specific time. I went shopping yesterday. Present, habit, usual action. I go shopping on weekends. Simple rule. Yesterday equals past tense. If you see yesterday, last night, last week, 2 days ago, use the past form of the verb.
What do you usually buy at the supermarket?
I buy many things because cheap.
Let's fix your sentence.
Common mistake. I buy many things because cheap. Why this is wrong. The word because must be followed by a full reason, not just one adjective. In English, cheap is an adjective, not a sentence, so after because we need a subject, it or they. The prices, a verb, is or are. Correct sentences, simple and correct. I buy many things because it is cheap. Natural and clear. I buy many things because the prices are cheap. Easy rule for students. Because plus subject plus verb. Because cheap. Because it is cheap. Because they are cheap.
Do you check the price before you buy something?
Yes, I check price.
That's okay, but let's make it better.
A common mistake. I check price. Why this is wrong. Simple. In English, singular countable nouns need an article. Price is a singular countable noun, so it needs the specific price or a one price. Without an article, the sentence is incomplete. Correct sentences. I check the price. I check the price before I buy something. Easy rule. Singular noun needs a or the. Check price. Check the price.
How about this? Yes, I check the price before I buy something, or yes, I always check the price because I want to save money. Answer out loud. Do you like shopping? Why or why not? Use opinion plus reason. Speak clearly and slowly.
Quick review. I buy clothes when they are on sale. The cashier gave me my change. I keep my receipt. I can't afford expensive bags.
Don't forget to download the free worksheet, link in the description. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.